Apple TV power light flashing, how to fix it yourself. Apple TV power light flashing, how to fix it yourself. Apple TV power light flashing. If the power light on your Apple TV is flashing, the cause is probably the power controller. To diagnose the issue, you can either check the temperatures of the unit or use the LED on the Apple TV remote to locate the problem. If neither of these methods resolve the problem, you may want to try unplugging the device and replug it. Also, make sure that you are plugged into an HDMI input. Reset the Apple TV. If the light on your Apple TV is flashing, it means that something is causing it to stop working properly. There are a few different reasons why this may be happening. A malfunctioning HDMI switch or receiver can cause this problem. Or, the update might have been interrupted and caused an interruption. Whatever the reason, you should be able to fix the problem yourself. Here are a few simple fixes. To reset the Apple TV, press the down arrow and menu keys at the same time. The light should then stop flashing. If the light on your Apple TV is blinking quickly, this indicates that the device is experiencing a software problem. To fix the problem, you must restore the device with the help of iTunes. If you have an older model, you cannot restore the device from your home computer. You will have to purchase a new model if you are experiencing this issue. You will need to take it to the nearest Apple store for support. It may be a hardware issue. If the power light on your Apple TV is flashing frequently, it may be a hardware issue. However, most problems are not catastrophic. To check whether your Apple TV is connected to the correct HDMI input, unplug it from the wall and try another one. If your Apple TV is sitting in a warm place, it might be overheating. If so, you can remove the device from the heat source to prevent it from getting hotter. If you are unable to restore the device from your television, you should try restoring the device from iTunes. If you cannot restore the device from iTunes, you should wait for 5 to 6 seconds and then reconnect the Apple TV. This should restore the device. You should then check that it is working normally. If the problem persists, you may need to try another method. If the light is blinking on your iPhone, unplug the device and restart it. If you are still experiencing this problem, your Apple TV may be paired with another remote. If you are able to pair it with the remote, the problem will be solved. To do this, you should hold down the menu and back buttons simultaneously. Then, wait for 2 minutes. When the Apple TV screen turns on, it will automatically turn off. To make sure it is running, press the volume button and try again. The problem can be easily resolved. First, you need to identify the cause. The flashing light could be caused by a number of factors. It may be an HDMI receiver or switch, or it could be an interruption in the firmware update. The only thing you can do is to reboot the device. After resetting the device, check the connection to the Apple TV and make sure it is working properly. If the problem persists, you can contact Apple Support Center to get help. If the problem is intermittent, you can try restoring the device from the Apple TV's screen. However, this might not be a good option. Then, you can try restoring the device from iTunes. If this does not work, you can also try holding the menu key and the down arrow key simultaneously. The light should go off once you have released these two keys. This can solve the problem quickly. If the light remains on, you need to check the software. If the software is outdated, it might cause the Apple TV to malfunction. You should first update the software. After that, you should make sure that there are no new updates to the device. Once you've updated the system, you can try to put the Apple TV into sleep mode. Then, the power will not be turned off and the device will be unresponsive. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.